We're going to show you some features of the Mecalac 15MC 15-ton tracked excavator. This model is fitted with an Engcon EC214 tilt rotator, which is detachable up here with using the Mecalac Connect hitch. Removing the Engcon allows you to lift more, especially at reach on your SWL, because you remove 300-400 kilos of weight, which is normally direct mounted to the dipstick. We have the integrated grab on the back, which can be detached and removed if needed, but comes in very handy. It's a great option. We have the 3-piece excavator offset boom on this model. This is offset up in the middle cylinder, but it's a single pin, as you can see there. So we're not running a drill pin offset. This is a lot stronger and lighter, so you can keep your offset without all the disadvantages. Road liner tracks, factory options are fitted in the factory like this. Optional with tracks with bolt-on pads if you need. 3 pieces on the boom instead of 2. This gives you much better reach, much better height, and much better compactness, and the lifting significantly better. We can lift 8 ton from about 1 meter out on the machine straight up in a vertical line. Coming up into the cab, which is one of its benefits, it's a huge open cab. Enough room in here for adjustable pneumatic seat on the bottom and with the controls, so we can slide the seat relative to the controls, or we can slide the controls with the seat. That lets you get set up properly. Coming into the back, it's a huge space in the back for your things. We've got a air-conditioned compartment for drinks and your lunch. This is fitted with the MiG2 joysticks, so all of the controls for the Engcon and the tilt rotator and all the machine controls have all been wired in directly. A big screen with dual cameras, so rear and front view cameras. That's the Engcon DC2 controller. This is fitted with an extremely heavy duty rear counterweight. We add about 700 kilos on top of the original counterweight. The fuel tank is actually mounted between the chassis. So the fuel goes up through the swivel joint, but this gives us a lot more volume. It's not part of the chassis, so it's an individual tank which is bolted into the chassis. This is a lot stronger and safer, so if you have any concerns of damaging the tank, it's not going to happen. It's pretty thick plate work protecting it, but it gives us more room in the machine, so we're more compact on the radius of the tail, but we're well laid out for the cooling and the engine position, etc. If you have any questions, let us know.